Welcome to Kurviger Explained. In this video, we will show you the first steps on the Kurviger website. This is the Kurviger website. In this video, we will plan a route from Stuttgart to a biker-friendly accommodation at the Mosel, a river in Germany. A route consists of at least 2 waypoints, the start and the destination. Kurviger plans a curvy and enjoyable route along these points, based on your input. You can choose the curviness and road avoidances, matching your riding style. Waypoints can be set in the sidebar on the left or using the map. Points can be placed in the sidebar by clicking on the input field of the waypoint list. You can enter addresses or coordinates. A result can be selected by clicking on it. You can search for a place without including it in your route. To do that, you can use the search option in the navigation bar. You can search for addresses or coordinates. In this example, we will be searching for the city Koblenz, which is situated along the Mosel. The map shows a lot of different points of interest, POIs, that can be relevant when you are planning a route. Motorcycle-friendly accommodations are marked with a hotel symbol. When you click on a hotel POI, you will see important information about that hotel, like the phone number and website. By clicking on one of the buttons for the route planning, the hotel is added to your route. Now, we can take a look at the planned route. In the lower part of the screen, you can see the elevation diagram. In the sidebar on the left, you can see the distance and duration of your trip. This data is accompanied by symbols. These highlight important attributes of your route. In this example, there is a tunnel, ferry, and a potentially closed road on your route. You can configure the curviness for this route. As a Kurviger tourer, our subscription with a lot of additional features, you can see 3 routes at once. The routes are the fast and curvy route, the curvy route, and the extra curvy route. In this example, we are setting the curviness to the middle setting, curvy. As a Kurviger tourer, you can get more details about your route. For example, you can see which parts of your route contain potentially closed roads or which parts require you to take a ferry. You can avoid the ferry by using the Avoid Ferries option. The route is now calculated without the ferry. A good way to add stops to your rides can be biker-friendly meeting places. Therefore, we want to add a meeting place to the route. You can identify these by the meeting place icon. By clicking on the icon, you will see further details about the meeting point. You can add it easily to your route by using one of the route planning buttons. Now, we have planned a nice day trip. The tour is about 400 kilometers long. Not every bike can make that distance without fueling up. Therefore, we are adding a fuel station about halfway on the route. You can use the elevation diagram to estimate distances along the route. By holding the left mouse button, you can select an area where you want to zoom in. We are looking for a fuel station in this area. We can choose which POIs are shown by using the POI button. In this example, we have to enable the fuel station POIs. Now we simply choose a fuel station symbol that is close to our route. We could include the fuel station using one of the route planning buttons again. Alternatively, we can set the waypoint on the map. Move the mouse to fuel station on the map and press the right mouse button. By clicking on the option for intermediate points, an intermediate point is set. We planned a curvy route including a biker-friendly meeting point and a fuel station. Now you have to export the route to the Kurviger app or your navigation device. You can find the export button in the navigation bar. You can select one of the many formats. We also provide formats for Garmin and TomTom devices. In this example, we are using the Kurviger file for the Kurviger app. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or feedback, please have a look at our forum or documentation. We hope you have fun planning and riding your tours.